Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video, and in this video I am doing the most requested Q&A. मैंने Snapchat पे पूछा था आप लोगों से, बल्कि कहा था आप लोगों को कि आप लोग मुझे अपने सवालात भेजें और मैं आपको उनके जवाबात दूंगी. तो सवालात आपने मुझे बहुत सारे भेजे हैं. I have a lot of questions, so I'm just gonna skim through them, see कि मैं कितने जवाब दे सकती हूँ without any further ramblings which have already been done. Let's go ahead and answer the questions. First question is by Zainab asks me favorite restaurant in Lahore. Okay, तो मैंने बहुत सारे restaurants लाहौर में try नहीं किए. I really like the English tea breakfast. I don't know if that's what it's called. I didn't like the food that much there, मगर जो restaurant की ambience है मुझे बहुत पसंद है. It had like a conservatory made. It was just really cozy and I like the ambience of that restaurant. Food wise, the one which is next to Cuckoo's Den, Haveli. Yes, I think the food there was really nice और वहाँ का view भी बहुत अच्छा था. Aiza598 asks me, what one thing do you notice in a person who is a stranger to you? I think जो सबसे पहली चीज़ मैं किसी की notice करती हूँ वो ये है कि how well presentable they are. Like अगर not necessarily कि they have to be wearing good clothes or anything, मगर अगर उन्होंने like अच्छे से बाल बनाए हुए हैं और कपड़े के पहनने का है, you know, if they're carrying the clothes really well, then I notice that. But उसके बाद जो मैं second चीज़ notice करती हूँ, मैं notice करती हूँ उनकी आँखें. Usually लोगों की आँखों से पता चलता है कि वो कितने innocent हैं या कितने like शरारती type हैं. Okay, then FAKK5 asks me, how did it all start, blogging and YouTube? I think मैंने ये सवाल बहुत दफ़ा आंसर किया है, but for those of you who are new to my channel, I started blogging back in 2013 जब मैं ACCA कर रही थी. I had a lot of time on my hands. तो मैं क्या करती थी अपने फ्री टाइम में? पढ़ती तो ऑब्वियसली थी because ACCA is tough, but अपने फ्री टाइम में I would go ahead and read fashion blogs. Then I started watching a lot of YouTube. A few months later I started my own website. So that is how it all began. Next question is by Josefa. When will you do a meetup and from where do you get the best wedding clothes? I'm not sure मैं अपना meetup कब रखूँ. ब्लॉग में मैंने बात की थी इसके बारे में. I get a little nervous when I have to meet people who I don't know. I know ये अजीब सी बात है because I seem all confident on camera and everything and it's hard to explain it as well. But I get a little shy and nervous if I have to do a meetup and I'm surrounded by people. Like अगर मुझे कोई मॉल में आके मिलता है, I love it when people come and meet me, but it just makes me a little anxious and a little nervous. So as soon as I get over that, would you want to come on a meetup with me?
Why?
If Bubs will come with me, then I'm definitely going to do a meetup. So wedding clothes मैं सिलवाती हूँ, वो सारे सिले हुए होते हैं, वो मैं खुद उनका कपड़ा खरीदती हूँ आशियाना से, गल्फ से, बेल लगा के, you know, take inspiration from Instagram, and that's how I make my wedding clothes. I have never really या फिर Aha Noor. I think Aha Noor have some really good options for like festive wear and wedding wear. तो Aha Noor is an option. मैंने वहाँ से 2-3 ready-made suits लिए हैं, but वैसे मैं अपने suits सिलवाती हूँ. Okay, Nimra99 asks me, what's your graduation and what work do you do? I mean your job. So I have done ACCA as I mentioned, and I also have a bachelor's in applied accounting and finance from Oxford Brookes University, which you get after writing a thesis when you're done with ACCA, and my job is a financial accountant. बहुत से लोगों ने मुझसे एक ये भी सवाल पूछा, तो I'm just going to club this question together: how I film my videos and how I edit my videos, and मैं कितना film करती हूँ एक हफ्ते में, like what the whole procedure is. Now I started off with the Nikon का D5200 camera, standard lens वाला, so that was the 18 to 50 या 55 mm का lens. I used to first film videos on that, then I got the 50 mm lens because उससे like bouquet अच्छा आता. I'm going to link a video in the description how to make money from YouTube. तो उसमें ना मैंने काफ़ी सारी टिप्स दी हुई हैं कि आप कौन सा कैमरा इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, कौन से लेंस इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं and stuff like that. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, I'm going to link that video down below and you can watch it, or I'm going to link that video somewhere on the screen so you can watch it as well. I vlog on my phone. I have an iPhone 7 and I think अगर आपके पास iPhone 5 है, 5 तो नहीं 6 से के बाद वाली सीरीज़ है, then I think you can make very decent vlogs on the iPhone. But if you have any other camera as well जो कि HD recording करता है और उसमें ये option है HD recording का, then those phones are very good for vlogging. And the camera that I use to film my like video, जिस कैमरे पे मैं अभी film कर रही हूँ, it is the Sony a6500 and I am using the 30mm lens. This is not sponsored. I wish it was though. Do you wish Sony would have sponsored me on this video? Huh?
Sure.
Software that I use to edit my videos is Final Cut Pro, and before that I used to use Windows Movie Maker. Next question is by #brownie101. If you were offered $1 million to stay outside Pakistan, where would you go? Or would you take it or not? That is an interesting question. Now, if I was offered $1 million to live outside Pakistan, I would take it. I would live outside Pakistan, and then when I'm like done living outside Pakistan, I would come back. Like maybe when I run out of $1 million, or agar meri bahar dal nahi gali, so I would come back. It would be very difficult to establish myself bahar because I have a job and I have a career here, and like I have my YouTube here and I have a good audience here. So if I keep that all in mind, it would be very difficult to leave. But if somebody is giving me $1 million to live outside, I would travel the world, I think. I mean, that's a loophole in the question. I would totally go traveling, and then when I'm done traveling, I would come back. So yeah. Okay, so the next question is by Isha Gilani, and she asks me who my favorite singer is. Okay, I'm gonna narrow this down to 3 favorite singers जिनके मुझे concerts attend करने हैं. Number 1 would be Taylor Swift. Number 2 would be Kygo, and number 3 would be Kings of Leon. So Kings of Leon are like my all-time favorite rock band. Kygo is my all-time favorite like EDM DJ sort of a personality, and Taylor Swift is like my favorite for life. So these 3 people are my favorite, and I cannot choose between them. Actually, I have a 4th one as well, Adele. So yeah, उससे कम नहीं हो सकता, sorry. Mina 2005 asks me favorite Bollywood, Hollywood and Lollywood movie. My favorite Hollywood movie has to be, actually if I had to rate a movie based on my likeness, तो मैं उसको देखूँगी कि मैंने उसको कितनी दफ़ा देखा हुआ है. तो हॉलीवुड मूवी में जो मैंने मूवी सबसे ज़्यादा देखी है वो है प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस, सो आई एम गोना गो विद दैट. बॉलीवुड मूवी में माई फेवरेट मूवी हैज़ टू बी कभी खुशी कभी गम, नो ब्रेनर देयर, आई लव दैट मूवी. एंड अ क्लोज सेकेंड इज कल हो ना हो. लॉलीवुड मूवी में मेरी फेवरेट है खुदा के लिए. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड खुदा के लिए, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर परवाज़ है जुनून. तो जैसे ही वो आएगी बाहर, आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग एंड वॉचिंग इट, क्योंकि उसका जो गाना है बुलिया, आई एम लाइक ऑलवेज प्लेइंग इट. आई नीड द फुल सॉन्ग. राइट नाउ ओनली लिसनिंग टू लाइक 1 minute ऑफ दैट सॉन्ग जो कि हम टीवी पे आता है, तो मैं यूट्यूब पे सुनती हूँ, बट आई नीड द फुल सॉन्ग. सो या आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. योर फेवरेट पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा एंड फेवरेट पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस. ओके, बहुत लंबा क्वेश्चन है, सो लेट्स जस्ट answer this quickly. Favorite Pakistani drama वो ज़िंदगी गुलजार है. Favorite actor is Fawad Khan. Favorite actress, there are a lot of them. Acting wise, I think Mahira Khan is very good, but I also really like Ikra Aziz. I think her acting is really really nice. Shba asks me, what female celebrity do you wish was your sister? Wow! If I had to pick a celebrity, like I would pick Taylor Swift, but if I had to pick a YouTuber, I would pick Zoella. I think we would get along really well. Come on!
Maybe Nina Dobrev.
Nina. Bubs chooses Nina Dobrev. Why Bubs?
Or maybe Lucy Hale.
Okay, अलिशमा ने 2-3 और सवाल भी पूछे हैं. एक और है जिसमें से मैं उठाऊंगी इनका. Which is your favorite Netflix show? My all-time favorite Netflix का जो show था, it wasn't really a Netflix original, but my favorite show that I've ever seen on Netflix is The Grand Hotel. And it is a Spanish show. Yeah, it's my favorite show ever. I love it. I think I'm gonna start watching it again.
You never finished it with me. What are you
But
saying?
let's do it. Let's finish The Grand Hotel. Grand Hotel एक Spanish show है, and it is really really good. If you guys haven't seen it, you have to watch it. It's an amazing show. Even Naveed has asked me, what's your qualification and your favorite clothing brand? I've already answered the qualification part. Clothing brand. Oh God, I don't think I have a favorite clothing brand. I like. सो मेरा ना सीजनल होता है, तो कभी कोई ब्रांड किसी सीज़न में बहुत अच्छा कर रही है, देन दैट वुड बी लाइक अ ब्रांड आई वुड शॉप एट. बट अगर मैं प्रेफरेंस देखूँ या फिर अगर सोलली मैं अपना आंसर देखूँ बाय द नंबर ऑफ क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड दैट आई हैव, देन आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम खादी and I have a lot of clothes from ethnic, so it could be either of the two because सबसे ज़्यादा कपड़े मेरे पास उनके हैं. Okay, so Noor Fatma has asked me any advice for girls going to college and confused about what they want to do in their lives. I mean, I feel so lost. I have no idea what I want to do in my life, and everyone has everything sorted out except me. Alright, so if you feel like that, then you are not alone. Trust me, I felt like that when I was your age. जब I think I was 19, 20 and I had to decide कि मुझे कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाना है, मुझे क्या पढ़ना है, मुझे आगे करियर क्या लेना है. I was very confused. I'm not going to lie. Always say follow your heart and your instinct. Research about careers. Just don't go do BBA because आपके दोस्त BBA कर रहे हैं. Don't do MBA because that's what you do after BBA. किसी के अंदर एक सलाहियत होती है जिसमें वो एक्सेल कर सकता है. सो आई थिंक टू पॉलिश दैट सलाहियत यू नीड टू पिक something to study where you can excel in. So if you're good at painting or drawing, then you can pursue a career maybe in architecture, or you could become an artist, a graphic designer. So जिस चीज़ में आपका interest है, I would always recommend to do that. And it's okay to be a little confused in the beginning. I think we all are confused, we all are scared, but it works itself out. मतलब खुद से ही हो जाता है, I think. So don't worry, just take it easy and try to find out that what makes you passionate and what you can excel in, and do that. Okay, so next question is by Milkshake Mania. And Milkshake Mania asks me, if you could travel to one place anywhere in the world, where would you go? You guys know I have a travel Instagram page and it's called Travelocity. If you don't follow me there, go follow me there, because उसमें मैं अपनी like travel वाली pictures डालती हूँ. So I love travel. I really like experiencing places and discovering new things in a place, and like trying to get to know about their culture, their language, meeting people there. So I think कि जो Instagram पे मैं चीज़ें देखती रहती हूँ उससे मेरी wanderlust बढ़ती है, and my favorite like the place that I want to travel to keeps changing. But I think the top of my list, मैं अपने top 3 countries आपको बता सकती हूँ. Top of my list is the United Kingdom, number 2 is Canada, and number 3 is Norway. So these are the top 3 countries that I want to visit in the coming months. Mahrukh ZAK asks me, is there any way things are right, like yes, this is what I need to do in life? Okay, honestly, if you find that thing, then you are the luckiest person, but I don't think life itni आसान होती है. I'm just confused. So I have had some moments where I'm like, okay, this is what I want to do. For example, when I started my website, I was sure in my mind कि ये मुझे करना है. वो सब चीज़ें अलग बात है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, पेरेंट्स क्या कहेंगे, परमिशन मिलेगी, ये वो फलाना, वो सब बाद में आया. बट इट वॉज माई पैशन एंड आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू डू इट. बट नॉट ऑल थिंग्स इन लाइफ आर एज ब्लैक एंड वाइट. सो आई वुडंट से कि ये मोमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा आते हैं. आई वुड जस्ट से कि अगर ये मोमेंट आए तो ग्रैब ऑन टू इट एंड डू व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक डूइंग, बिकॉज अगर आपको अंदर से श्योरिटी आ रही है, then that means it's the right thing for you to do. Salman04 has asked me, do you have a boyfriend? Bubs, come here. You have to answer this question for me.
Why?
Come. Prince Bubs, everybody missed you a lot.
Yes.
Do I have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Who's my boyfriend?
Should I say? Should I say on camera?
You've like turned the tables on. Bad idea to call Bubs. I might just cut that part out. No guys, I don't have a boyfriend. Danish bin Khalid has asked me, hey Anushae, so your subscriber count has increased exponentially over the last few months. Do you feel like a celebrity now? Honestly and honest to God, I don't. Okay, and how Bubs and I are so close. I have always wanted a sister. जब मेरा छोटा भाई पैदा हुआ था तो मैंने अपनी अम्मा को बोला था जाके, अम्मा मुझे एक बहन चाहिए, बस आई डोंट केयर, मुझे आप एक बहन ला के दें. सो आई वाज अ किड, डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, ऑल आई सेड वाज मुझे एक बहन चाहिए. सो जब मैं 10 साल की थी, दैट इज़ व्हेन Bubs was born, and I'd always wanted a sister. So when I got a sister, I was like, yay! Pumpkin05 has asked me, as you are Khan, are you Pathan? Yes, I am. Mara Rai has asked me, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Oh, I don't like this question, especially जब आप किसी interview पे जाते हैं, they ask you, so where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? I don't know, because अगर मैं 5 साल पीछे जाऊँ, I did not see myself here where I am. I will just see where life takes me. Maybe अगर मैं बोल सकूँ that I would ideally I would like to have my own company, like have my own business or some sort of stuff like that. Saira888 has asked me, how is it living in Pakistan? Do you feel safe just heading out? Are there robberies, or can you wear whatever you want? Okay, Saira, so you have asked a lot of different questions about Pakistan. So living in Pakistan is great. I think अगर आपने पूरी ज़िंदगी यहाँ पे spend की है, and if you have relatives here, you have friends here, you have a good life here, then I think living here is amazing. Is relative to who you ask. I think the answer will change, because हर किसी की life मुख्तलिफ होती है, हर किसी की hardships मुख्तलिफ होती हैं, so they would have a different answer. Is it safe? Yes, it is safe. There are certain areas that you should definitely avoid, like robberies. I think हर जगह होती हैं. Funny story, one of my friends who went to London got mugged there, and she'd never been mugged in Pakistan. So I think robberies are everywhere. As for something that you would like to wear, that depends on what your family is like, your immediate family, like आपके parents कैसे हैं, अगर वो आपको allow करते हैं. ऐसे बहुत से पाकिस्तानीज हैं जो कि अमेरिका में रहते हैं मगर वो अपने बच्चों को like sleeveless allow नहीं करते पहनना. So I think it's more like a family thing, not a country thing. Manahil Aftab has asked me, when your parents want you to get married? I have no idea, I've never asked them that. So a lot of questions about marriage मैंने काफ़ी skip भी किए हैं. So those were all the questions. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे सवाल पूछे थे मुझसे. I'm sorry मैं सारे नहीं कर सकी क्योंकि ये वीडियो फिर बहुत लंबी हो जाती. But hopefully I will do a Q&A very soon. Don't you worry. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I have a couple of discount codes for a number of websites like Beautyhook and Trendify and mobile cases phone ke liye, so I'm going to leave them all in the comments, even the green contact lenses I wear. So if you want to check those out, go crazy in the description and leave me any other comment, any other questions that you want me to answer in the comments, and I will try to answer them. So till then, subscribe to our channel, and now bye. I will see you in my next week's video. Bye, Babs.